Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kraken funding verification, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with Kraken, navigate to the Kraken website and log into your account. Once logged in, locate the Get Verified option on your account dashboard. Click on this option to initiate the verification process. Next, select the type of verification you require based on your funding needs. For most users, the intermediate level is sufficient to access funding options. Follow the prompts to fill out the necessary personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. After entering your information, upload a valid form of identification. Acceptable forms of ID typically include a passport, driver's license, or government-issued ID. Next, provide a proof of residence document, which can include a utility bill or bank statement. Make sure that the documents you upload are clear and legible. Once all required documents are uploaded, review your information for accuracy. Submit your verification request by clicking the appropriate button. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your verification status. The verification process may take some time, so be patient as Kraken reviews your submission. You can check your verification status by logging into your account and navigating to the verification section. Once verified, you will receive a notification informing you that your account is ready for funding. At this point, you can proceed with funding your account through your preferred method. If you encounter any issues during the process, consult the Kraken support page for assistance. Keep in mind that verification requirements may vary based on your location and the funding method you choose. Ensure that all your documents adhere to Kraken's guidelines for a smooth verification experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.